Welcome to this course on firewall testing with Nmap. Whether you are a beginner in network security or an aspiring ethical hacker, this course will teach you how to test and identify firewall rules on a Linux server using Nmap. So we'll cover several things step by step. We'll cover how to set up a Ubuntu server, so you'll learn how to set up a web server and an SSH server, and as well as an FTP server. You'll understand how these basic network service apps work, and also how different ports work, what ports are, how you can identify open, closed, and filtered ports. You'll learn how to set up the UFW or uncomplicated firewall on Linux, and you'll also detect how firewalls can block traffic, how to identify them, and how an attacker might detect which network ports are open, and also if a firewall is running on the target. So you might wonder, why do firewalls matter? Well, firewalls are critical in cybersecurity because they control what traffic can reach the system. So, for example, on the server on the right here, we have the UFW firewall. Let's see, this firewall is running and it's allowing certain traffic in and out of the computer. You'll see allow, deny, and in this case it's from anywhere, but it depends on the setup. So understanding how firewalls work can help both attackers and defenders secure networks. So tools you'll need in this course, you'll need basic Ubuntu server, either have using virtualization, using multipass, VMware, VirtualBox, any tool that allows you to run two Ubuntu Linux computers. And besides Ubuntu Linux, we'll need several tools. This you'll learn how to install during the course. You'll need Nmap for port scanning, UFW for basic firewall management, and of course you'll need two Ubuntu Linux virtual machines. One is the attacker and one is the target. So this course is hands-on, no slides, just pure screencasts. By the end of this course, you'll be able to confidently test and identify firewall behavior. Using Nmap, you'll be able to set up a basic server on Ubuntu computer and understand how an attacker might identify if a firewall is running and which network apps are running on the server. So remember, always scan with permissions. This course is designed for ethical learning only. And let's get started with setting up your test environment.